Right, just a quick explanation how to simplify this. The first thing I would do is cancel the common factors for the a's and the c's in the numerator and denominator. That would leave me with, let's see, 5a to the 12th over 7c to the 5th. And then there's a couple different options to go from here, but what I would do right away is I would multiply this numerator and denominator by this denominator here of 7c to the 5th. That effect will take care of my radical in the denominator, which is a large part of the simplifying. And so what I would get is 35a to the 12th c to the 5th all over 7c to the 5th. Right, I can't do any canceling here in the numerator and denominator because the stuff in the denominator now has no radical around it. So I can't cancel like the 7 and the 35 or the c to the 5ths at all. But what I need to do now is to simplify this radical on top. I'm going to do that somewhat quickly. So what I'll do is I'll take the square root of the a to the 12th. That will give me an a to the 6th. And then the square root for the c to the 5th here, what I need to do is to separate that into a c to the 4th times c to the 1, or just a c. And then the c to the 4th gets square rooted, so I'll get a c squared outside here, and then left inside the radical will be the 35 that didn't get touched, and this extra c, which is this c here. And then in the denominator I still have this 7c to the 5th. Then the last step, and this might be that part that got missed there, is I need to reduce any common factors that I can. Importantly is only the stuff outside the radicals can be simplified with the stuff outside the radicals. Importantly, again, just saying that this 35 here in the radical can't be reduced with this 7 right here. Only stuff outside the radical can be simplified with stuff outside the radical. But 2 of these c's right here can be canceled with 2 of the c's right here, leaving me with the c to the 3rd in the denominator. So the final simplified form would be a to the 6th times the square root of 35c all over 7c to the 3rd.